Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of superfruits, those delicious treats that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to your health. So let me ask you this. Do you know which fruits can help kill cancer, burn fat, and are low in carbs? Stick around because we're about to unveil 5 amazing fruits with incredible health benefits. First up, let's talk about blueberries. These tiny but mighty berries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant hue. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer. Studies suggest that blueberries may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the digestive tract. Next on our list is the avocado. Avocados are not only creamy and delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're high in healthy fats and low in carbs, making them perfect for those watching their carb intake. Avocados contain oleic acid, which has been shown to have anti-cancer effects, particularly in breast cancer. Plus, they're loaded with nutrients like potassium and vitamin E. Now let's talk about strawberries. These juicy red berries are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants. One of their key compounds is ellagic acid, which has been studied for its anti-cancer properties. Ellagic acid may help prevent skin, bladder, and breast cancers by protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moving on to lemons. While lemons might not be eaten whole like other fruits, they're incredibly beneficial. Lemons are high in vitamin C and contain compounds called limonoids, which have shown promise in fighting cancer. Limonoids have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in various parts of the body. Last but not least, raspberries. These tart and tangy berries are low in carbs and high in fiber and antioxidants. Like strawberries, raspberries contain ellagic acid, which has potent anti-cancer effects. Additionally, they're packed with flavonoids and phenolic compounds that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. So there you have it, folks. 5 superfruits that can help kill cancer, burn fat, and are low in carbs. Whether you eat them fresh, toss them into smoothies, or use them in recipes, these fruits are sure to boost your health in delicious ways. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.